Manifesting money is often shrouded in the belief that one must first convince themselves they are already wealthy to see real financial gains. But this video will explore effective techniques to attract financial abundance without needing to adopt the mindset of being rich beforehand. Our focus will be on practical, accessible methods that anyone can use regardless of their current financial situation. These strategies are grounded in clarity, action, and a realistic approach to personal finance and goal setting. Manifestation, in its essence, is about turning thoughts and dreams into reality. Traditionally, this concept has been closely tied to the law of attraction, which suggests that feeling wealthy attracts wealth. And today, we take a different route, one that does not hinge on the belief of existing wealth. Instead, we focus on understanding that manifestation is a tool accessible to everyone. It involves aligning one's desires with actionable steps to achieve tangible results. To begin, it's crucial to understand what manifestation is not. It is not a magical process that delivers wealth overnight. Instead, it is a strategic approach involving clear goal setting, visualization, and taking real-world actions that align with those goals. This understanding is foundational as it shifts the focus from mere belief to active participation in one's financial growth. The journey to manifesting money effectively begins with setting clear intentions. Intentions are powerful because they direct your focus and energy towards specific goals. Unlike general desires, clear intentions define the what and the why of your financial aspirations. For instance, rather than merely wishing for more money, a clear intention would be to increase your income to invest in education or to save for a home down payment. This specificity guides your actions and helps maintain focus on your goals. Setting these intentions involves a few critical steps. First, be as specific as possible. Determine exactly how much money you need and what it will be used for. Next, write down these intentions. Writing not only helps in clarifying thoughts, but also acts as a constant reminder of what you aim to achieve. Keep these written intentions in a place where you can see them daily to reinforce your commitment to your financial goals. After setting your intentions, the next step is to make them achievable. Break down large financial goals into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if the goal is to save a certain amount, figure out how much needs to be saved each month. Then look into your budget to find areas where adjustments can be made to meet this saving goal. This methodical approach turns seemingly lofty goals into reachable milestones, making the manifestation process a series of steps forward rather than a giant leap. The process of visualization is integral to manifesting money. It involves picturing in your mind what achieving your financial goals will look and feel like. This technique does not necessitate believing you're already wealthy, but rather focuses on envisioning the steps it takes to get there. Visualization serves as a blueprint for your actions, laying out the path to financial success in your mind's eye. To utilize visualization effectively, start by picturing the specific outcomes of your intentions. If your goal is to save for a significant purchase, imagine yourself making that purchase. See yourself performing the actions that will lead you to this point, such as depositing money into your savings account regularly. The key here is consistency in your visualization practice. Dedicate a few minutes daily to this practice, ideally in a quiet space where you can focus without interruptions. The power of this technique lies in its ability to inspire and motivate. By regularly visualizing your financial goals, you reinforce your commitment to them, making it easier to stay focused and motivated over time. This mental practice complements the physical actions you take towards your financial goals, creating a holistic approach to manifestation. While belief is a powerful tool in the realm of financial manifestation, action is the driving force. It's not enough to hope or believe that money will come. You must take concrete steps to make it happen. Start by assessing your current financial habits and identifying areas for improvement. Are you budgeting effectively? Are there unnecessary expenditures that you can cut? Improving your financial habits is a direct action that contributes to better financial health. Next, consider additional streams of income that could be realistic for your skills and schedule. This might include freelance work, a part-time job, or selling items you no longer need. Another crucial action is educating yourself about financial management and investment. Knowledge is power, and understanding how money works will equip you to make better decisions that compound over time. This could involve reading books on personal finance, attending workshops, or consulting with a financial advisor. Gratitude is a pivotal aspect of manifesting financial abundance, as it shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already possess. This mental shift is crucial because it cultivates a mindset of abundance essential for attracting more wealth. Practicing gratitude involves acknowledging every little progress and value in your life, including financial gains, no matter how minor they may seem. To integrate gratitude into your financial manifestation efforts, begin by maintaining a daily gratitude journal. Each day, write down at least 3 financial blessings you experienced, whether it's finding a coin on the street, receiving a discount on a purchase, or simply having enough to cover your bills. This practice helps to keep your spirits up and your focus positive, which are vital when working towards financial goals. The effectiveness of gratitude lies in its ability to improve your overall perspective and emotional well-being, making you more resilient and proactive in the face of financial challenges. It encourages a positive feedback loop in your life where gratitude leads to greater motivation and more active pursuit of financial goals, which in turn brings about more outcomes for which to be grateful. Your environment and the influences you surround yourself with can significantly impact your ability to manifest money. First, assess your physical environment. Is your workspace conducive to focus and creativity? Small changes, such as organizing your desk or decorating your space with inspiring images or quotes, can boost your mood and effectiveness. Similarly, evaluate your digital environment. Streamline your online spaces to reduce distractions and ensure you are using digital tools that enhance your financial management, such as budgeting apps or financial tracking tools. Equally important is your social environment, the people around you. Surround yourself with individuals who support your financial goals and who perhaps are on similar journeys themselves. This could mean joining financial literacy groups, attending seminars, or simply having a buddy to discuss and set financial goals with. Avoid environments and individuals that trigger wasteful spending or discourage your financial ambitions. By carefully curating both your physical and social environments, you create a supportive backdrop for your financial manifestation efforts. This not only makes the journey towards your financial goals smoother, but also ensures that you are consistently motivated and less likely to stray from your financial path. Limiting beliefs about money can be significant barriers to financial success, and these beliefs often manifest as thoughts that money is scarce, that it is difficult to earn, or that one does not deserve financial prosperity. Overcoming these beliefs is essential to manifest money effectively, as they can subconsciously sabotage your financial goals. The first step in overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions about money. What negative thoughts surface when you think about your finances? Once identified, challenge these beliefs. Ask yourself if they are truly accurate or if they are merely perceptions based on past experiences. This questioning can help weaken their hold over your mindset. Replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones is the next crucial step. Instead of thinking, "I never have enough money," affirm, "I am capable of managing my finances wisely and creating the wealth I need." These positive affirmations should be specific and practiced regularly to effectively reprogram your mindset towards a positive financial outlook. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated often, can help reinforce a mental image of what you want to achieve, making it easier to bring it into reality. For manifesting money, affirmations focus on reinforcing your financial goals and the steps you are taking to reach them. Crafting effective affirmations involves a few key components. First, they must be in the present tense, as if the goals are already being achieved. For instance, I am successfully saving each month towards my new home. This present tense phrasing helps your mind accept these statements as current reality, influencing your actions accordingly. Second, affirmations should be positive. They should focus on what you want to achieve, not what you want to avoid. For example, instead of saying, "I am no longer in debt," say, "I am financially free and living comfortably within my means." Integrate these affirmations into your daily routine. Repeat them during your morning routine. Write them in your journal or post them in places where you will see them throughout the day. The constant repetition not only boosts your morale, but also keeps you focused on your financial goals, reinforcing your efforts to manifest money. Patience is a crucial component in the process of manifesting money. Financial goals, especially significant ones, require time to achieve. The journey toward financial prosperity often includes setbacks and delays, and patience helps you navigate these challenges without losing focus or motivation. Persistence complements patience by requiring continuous effort toward your goals. It involves maintaining your actions toward financial success regardless of obstacles. Consistency in saving, investing wisely, and continuously educating yourself about financial management are all persistent actions that contribute to long-term success. Developing patience and persistence starts with setting realistic expectations. Understand that financial growth is a gradual process and prepare mentally for the time it might take. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep your motivation high and remind yourself why your goals are worth the effort. This mindset helps maintain enthusiasm and commitment even when progress seems slow. Manifesting money without the belief that you're already rich is a practical and achievable process. It relies on a combination of clear intentions, practical actions, mental shifts, and emotional resilience. The techniques discussed, ranging from setting clear financial goals and using visualization to fostering an environment of gratitude, optimizing your surroundings, addressing limiting beliefs with affirmations, and maintaining patience and persistence, are all designed to equip you with the tools you need for financial manifestation. Start by identifying one or two strategies from this video that resonate with you the most and begin to integrate them into your daily life. Perhaps you'll choose to start a gratitude journal or begin crafting and repeating affirmations. Maybe you're ready to tackle your limiting beliefs or optimize your environment for financial success. Whatever your choice, the key is to start small and build your way up to more comprehensive changes. Manifesting money is not about overnight success or magically attracting wealth without effort. It's about setting the stage for prosperity through mindful actions and a supportive mindset. Each step you take is an investment in your future financial well-being. With the right approach and a commitment to the process, you'll find that you do not need to believe you are already rich to start making meaningful financial progress.